Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. This is part of my Lentils 101 series, and today we're going to cover what in the world do you pair up with lentils and how do you flavor these things. To see all of my notes on Lentils 101, visit my blog site. I've got a link below in the description box. Now on with it. What goes well with lentils? How do you spice them up? Warm spices go very, very well with lentils, and in particular some other ones as well, like thyme, which is not necessarily a warm spice. But here's the rundown, and the list is below in the description box for you. Bay leaf, cardamom, chili powder in particular, cilantro, cinnamon, cloves, coriander, cumin, curry, garam masala, ginger, garlic, mint, oregano, paprika, parsley, rosemary, tarragon, thyme is really good, and turmeric. So what foods do you pair up with lentils? Well, if you want to add lentils to a meat or other type of protein dish, they go well with beef, eggs, fish, lamb, and sausage. Now, what about grains? Lentils go very, very well with rice or pasta or just about any type of grain or grain product that you want to pair it with. And bear in mind too that the amino acid combination between lentils and grains makes a very complete and digestible protein source. So if you're a vegetarian or new to that world and you're wanting to learn about how to have a complete protein source, if you have beans or legumes or lentils and you have some rice, either to go along with it or at least some point in time in that day, you will have balanced out your amino acids and have a complete protein that way. What vegetables go with lentils? Carrots go very well, celery, leafy green vegetables of any sort that you're interested in eating and pairing up with it, mushrooms, onions, tomatoes in particular go very, very well with lentils. Now what about in the dairy arena? Cheese goes very well with lentils. I've seen a lot of recipes using all sorts of cheeses, cheddar cheese, feta cheese, goat cheese, Parmesan cheese, whatever kind of cheese you want to add to it, chances are it will go well with that, with the lentils and that dish that you're preparing. Well, I hope this answers your questions on what in the world to do with the lentils that you just bought. And let me know if you have any questions or comments below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye now.